Assalamu alaikum everyone. The market is really comfortable right now, okay? And I want to simplify what is happening. I think there are some few pumps that has taken place until now. We've seen altcoins kind of flying way too much everywhere. Altcoins have been in a glorious journey to the moon for the past 2 to 3 weeks. VeChain has looked good, Chainlink has looked good, Solana has looked even way more excellent. ICP has been amazing. There's no any coin that hasn't really stuck except for Kishu. I haven't seen Kishu moving at all. So that's something you may actually, I don't really often say this, but this could be a good candidate for bare bottom shopping, you know. But now I've told you about Bitcoin in the past 2-3 videos that Bitcoin is now making a very clear negative pattern here, which is known as ascending broadening wedge, okay? And I want to tell you if Bitcoin is going to move to 69 or not. Now here's my take. We need Bitcoin to probably move above and break this, this pattern, break above the pattern, move up to maybe 54, 55, and stay above 52 no matter what, okay? Stay above 52, stay above $51,500. That's the least I can say. And as far as you close like this, and move sideways for the next few days, that could be a very big sign of moving up to $69,000. Then I would actually say that, because this price 52, there is something about $52,000 that can actually be trouble for Bitcoin. Now next thing is, I think the next thing about Bitcoin is going to be the following. It's this ascending broadening wedge, and I think if you come down, it's not in play, okay? It's not in play. And if you see Bitcoin coming down like this, moving up and retesting, then you have a drop coming all the way down to 46,400 something, 46,600. So from this current price, that's going to be a drop of nearly 10%. And that's all for this quick update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.